Now in another video we talked about slopes of parallel lines. We talked about how they are equal. So let's say you were given a problem where you were asked to find a line that is parallel to the equation y equals 1/3 x plus 1, so parallel to this line, through a given point. So let's say our point was 1, -2. So parallel to this line through this point. First off, we know one thing about parallel lines is they have the same slope. Our slope is the number in front of the x when it's in this y-intercept form. So our slope is going to be 1/3. Well, to make a line between this point and this slope, we want to put it in this equation. So here's one option. So we originally learned this y equals mx plus b equation, right? We need to know our b. We need to know our intercept. So we know our m, we know an x and a y from this point, and we could use it to find b. So y of -2 equals m of 1/3 times an x of 1 plus b. Solving out, you get 1/3 plus b minus 1/3 to both sides. So b equals -2 minus 1/3. Well, to get this to have the same denominators as a fraction, we have to times it by 3/3. So we have -6/3 minus 1/3. So b equals -7/3. So our final equation is going to be y equals m 1/3 x minus b of -7/3, or plus b, so our -7/3. So this equation would be parallel to this one through this given point. So let's say we had to take this one step further. At the beginning, you were given an equation of 2x plus 5y equals 7, and you wanted to put an equation through a given point. So what you would need to do first is, well, what's the slope of this line? Well, to find the slope, we need to have it in y equals slope-intercept form. So we would proceed to solve for y and get -2x plus 7, divide both sides by 5, and y equals -2/5 x plus 7/5. So now, all we have left to do is make an equation that goes through a slope of -2/5 and a point of 2/3.